Hi everyone, welcome to Dalal Street Finance post-market report for the day of 9th May in terms of Indian stock market, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Today it was Fin Nifty expiry and there was some volatility post noon. Let's have a glance at the US markets. We can see that it's clearly in red. However, it's around 0.3 to 0.5% in red. Moving to the Europe markets, like US markets, Europe markets are also trading in red with around 0.3 to 0.7 in green. Coming to the Asian markets is in mixed state today. Japan's Nikkei was trading above 1%. However, the others were somewhat flat to negative. Checking the broader markets of Indian sector, we can see that PSU banks was the dragger today. However, the Nifty Auto and Nifty IT was trying to bring the market up. Moving to the Nifty today, Nifty opened with a slight gap up of around 40 points and it opened at 18,303, but it was able to move only some 40 points up and it was trading sideways until noon. Around 12:30, we could see selling and around 120 points fall we can see, and at around post 2 o'clock we saw some amount of recovery of around say some 50 points and then managed to close to around 18,265. Checking the support and resistance based on the OA, we can see there is strong resistance at 18,300 and then 18,350 and 18,400 onwards. However, there is some support at 18,200, considerable support at 18,200 and from there on in the below strikes. As in change of interest today, we can see more calls being added to the market and there is a little bit of unwinding. We can see it at 18,200 watts. Based on the premium, the support and resistance of Nifty, we can see that around market can, we can see a straddle in 18,300 here, and the combined premium is around 110 points, which says that market has resistance at around 18,400 levels, 4 to 410 levels on the upper side, and has support at 18,200 or 18,190 levels. Moving to the Bank Nifty today, like Nifty, Bank Nifty also had a gap up of around 100 points, and from there on it was trying to break the 43,500 resistance. However, it couldn't break, and around noon it tried breaking, but it was not able to sustain above. So it marked a high of 43,533, and from there on, around 1 o'clock, 12:30 to 1 o'clock, the selling started, and we could see the support being taken at 43,100 levels. Bank Nifty marked a low of 43,125 and closed at 43,198. Checking the open interest, we can see huge calls being written at 43,500 and which will act as a strong resistance for tomorrow, and 43,000 will act as a strong support. If 43,000 is broken for some reason, then we can expect market to take support at 42,581, where it took support in last Friday. Checking the change in open interest, we can see full of calls being written today while there is a little bit of puts being written at 43,200 and 43,000 levels. Moving to the Bank Nifty support and resistance based on the premium, we can see that resistance is at 43,950 and support at 42,800 levels. However, the first level support will be at 43,000 and first level resistance will be at 43,500. Checking the FII DI data, FII is still in strong buy with 1,950 crores and DI around 400 crores. Overall, the market is in neutral bias or it's in consolidation mode today. And FinNifty expiry has caused some volatility at the second half of the trading day. Overall, Nifty was witnessing correction in this range of 18,000 to 18,350 for a short term, from a short term perspective. Market breadth was negative today with 1,034 advances and 1,260 declines on NSE. Positive news is FIA and VIA both are in buy side, and the negative news are the coming talks about the debt ceiling, which is rising the pressure in the stock market, and global sentiments considering the last two trading sessions, the US as well as the Europe trading sessions are trades are negative. So the global sentiment is a little bit negative. And tomorrow there is Karnataka election, and by end of the day tomorrow we will get the exit poll news, and that might have some impact on our stock market on Thursday morning. Hence, tomorrow you have to be really careful if you are taking the overnight position. And another data which is expected to come on Wednesday evening from US side is US CPI inflation data. This is expected to be a little bit higher than the previous month. Hence, overnight position for tomorrow should be taken cautiously. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and kindly consider subscribing this channel as it means a lot to me.